This is the Anbull 21V brushless electric shear. Comes with two 21V 2 Ah batteries. Comes with a charger. Also comes with a couple of tools so you can tighten up the shear part. To turn it on, you press this button on the bottom here. With it turned on, you can see the battery percentage right here. We got 56%. And then to open up the shears, pull this trigger in twice. Every time you pull a trigger, there is a count, so you can see how many times you pull the trigger per charge if you want to track that for whatever reason. But I do like the fact it's got a battery percentage there, because when it starts to get lower on battery, you'll notice that it can't cut through as thick of branches. So it's time to take off this battery and put on a fresh battery that you've had on charge. When you're not using the shear, pull the trigger down until it beeps a couple of times, and then the shear will stay closed. Having an electric shear makes trimming your bushes and branches around your home so much easier. The case where everything fits in here, place for both batteries, the charger and the tool, closes up, comes with a handle. Has capacity to trim branches up to 1.6 inches thick, so if you have branches over 1.6 inches, you'll have to find another method to cut them. This is great for those thinner branches and bushes that you'd otherwise have to do by hand. If you're looking for an electric shear to have around your yard, I'd highly recommend you get one of these Anbull 21V electric shears. It's got plenty of power, can cut through a ton of branches and bushes on one charge, and in fact it comes with a second battery, means you're never going to be left without power.